Hi everybody, Jim from County Corvette. I have a 2001 Corvette Coupe. Beautiful color in magnetic red. This is a 3-owner car, currently owned by a gentleman who we've serviced it for many years. And it's a 38,000 mile car, but truthfully, honestly, looks like a 10,000 mile car. Now, there's no damage on this thing. It's got a spotless Car Fax. There's no paint work on this car. And I can tell you, even if a bumper cover had to be painted, you've got to blend it on magnetic red. It's a tri-coat, translucent mid-coat on these cars. And you can't panel paint them. So the paint is in remarkably good condition. I don't think I could really find any chips or scratches on this thing anywhere. So it shows like a 10,000 mile car. It's in stellar condition, beautifully maintained. It's got new Michelins on it. Now, this has a group package too, which has all the memory, head-up display, tilt telly, power, and active handling. It's got all the good stuff, memory seats. So you're not going to find anything with better options. It's as good as it gets. It's got the 2 tops. The clear top is in the back, and it comes with a car cover. When I saw the car, I was shocked at 38,000 miles, what it showed, but that's what it is. And sometimes people just use these cars as true pleasure cars and keep them inside the whole time. And that's what this car is. So I've got all the stuff here, clean Car Fax, and of course, and I mentioned this in all my videos, we do an inspection on these cars, which is not just a state inspection, but a comprehensive inspection, making sure everything works as it should. Everything works as it should on this car. And if I didn't mention it before, this is a 6-speed. Now this thing's got it all. It's the best color, the best options. Doesn't get any better. So if you're price shopping these things, this is a little bit more money, but it's a lot more car. And you're not going to shop it. You're not going to be able to find something as nice as this car in this color combination with this kind of integrity. So with all that said, I'm going to take you guys for a ride, and just another excuse to be driving on this absolutely perfect day. I'm sure you can't blame me. I wait for days like today to do my test drives, and it's as good as it gets. So anyway, we're gonna jump in this thing, go for a quick ride. Everything looks good on these cars. You hit the little gauges button here and it toggles you through your oil temperature, coolant temp, battery voltage, tire pressure front and rear. But I'll tell you, this is really a nice car. This car's 20 years old now. It's so hard to imagine that an 01 Corvette is 20 years old. Makes me feel old. But I'll tell you what, this car does not appear old. It feels like a 5-year-old car, a couple years old. Interior in this thing's really, it's just perfect. Whoever owned this car along the way, everybody loved this car. They treated it absolutely like a baby. In a lot of these cars now, these 6-speed ZF transaxles they really rattle and make a lot of noise. They get a little sloppy. Not this one. This baby is tight. Smooth and tight. Now, we have no vibration in this car at all. These Michelins really make a big difference in the way these cars drive. You get a set of older Goodyear Eagles on here, and man, they are loud, they are hard, and just don't drive that well. You gotta have Michelins on these things. It's the only tire worth having on the C5 anymore. This car doesn't have any squeaks or rattles either. All right, we're gonna go to 6,000. Tight as a drum, man. This thing's a sweetheart. I think I probably sound like a broken record because I really like the cars I sell. I only sell cars that, you know, meet the same quality as this one. I don't like worn out crap. And you know, when you're in the market for a 20-year-old car, yeah, you know, you'll go to Kelley Blue Book and compare prices. Car Gurus, I actually advertise on that. That'll tell you where your car is priced in along with other ones. But what it won't tell you is the difference in quality between one 38,000 mile car and another. It won't tell you options. It won't tell you how many chips are on it. It won't tell you the type of tires. So we're asking $24,900 for this car, but you can't price shop it against a car that is just a piece of crap. And that's what most of the C5s are now. They're mostly worn out crap. So it's worth it to spend a couple grand more. It's just like anything else. When you're buying a used car, you don't really pay for options, and you don't really have to pay a lot more for a great car, but you're going to have to pay more for it. I have to pay more for them. The owners know what they have, because whoever owned this car, it was absolute pride of ownership. I can tell you, if something went wrong with this car, it was fixed, because there's nothing wrong with this car. There's no visible signs of wear on anything. The steering wheel looks perfect. The shifter's perfect. There's no marks from rings and all the stuff that you get with a 20-year-old automobile. So please, 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 if you're in the market for a C5, you're not going to do better. You're not going to find a better color combination. I mean, if you don't like magnetic red, I can't help you. But I will tell you, it is the best color on these cars, hands down. And it's expensive to fix it when it gets damaged. You have to, like I said, you have to blend all the adjacent panels. There's no faking it. Not with the translucent color. It's like a house of color paint. You have to blend it. So there you go. Give us a call on this car if you're in the market for a good C5. I would say go look at a bunch of them first, and then take a look at this guy, because this car will sell itself once you look at some others. I assure you of that. All right, well, thanks for watching my video. Any questions or things you'd like to see that I didn't show you or talk about, give us a call. There's tons of pictures on the website. I have all the undercarriage photos, and should be everything you want. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel too.